Three Little Pigs Song.
Once upon a time, Mommy Pig and her three little pigs lived in the woods in a house coloured blue. One day she checked her purse and was worried about what she would do. There was not enough money to care for the three little pigs, so she had no choice. You have to leave me and make your own fortune, she said in a very sad voice.
Bye.
Left and into the woods they did walk. A big bad wolf was watching them, but they were too busy with their talk. The big bad wolf was hungry and fancied the three little pigs to eat. Three little pigs carried on, and a man with straw they did meet. Said, please sir, can I have some straw from you? The man said, yes you can, but tell me, what are you going to do? I am going to build my house from straw, the little pig said to the man. The man gave the little pig some straw and said, that sounds like a good plan. The two little pigs waved goodbye and headed into the woods. The first little pig went inside his house to try and have some rest. He sat there thinking to himself, I bet my house will be the best. The two little pigs met a man carrying sticks as they continued to walk. The second little pig went up to the man and began to talk.
Hello.
Please sir, may I have some sticks? The second little pig did say. The man said, here you are, now run along and be on your way. The second little pig made his house from sticks and looked at it with such pride. The third little pig said goodbye and the second little pig went inside.
Bye.
He was very happy with his house and felt all safe and warm. He thought it would keep him safe even in a terrible storm. was going to go